Okay, so it's 7:01 a.m. Yeah, we got yung seat natin. Here at pang 29, so just one more seat behind us. Sagad na itong airplane. Window seat si boy. It's gonna be 4 hours or more before we reach our destination, which is Japan. So we'll get some shuttle first, then yeah. Ha? Ito pala. Wala yung magulang ko. So after exiting, exit kami sa North Gate, and then we bought a SIM card para may wifi kami, obviously. So if you're planning to go here pala, and if you have an Android phone, parang hindi gagana yung SIM cards nila kasi Android. I don't know why. Hindi kung sa brand ba ng Android, kasi yung Android phone na meron kami ngayon is Redmi and Redmi and Realme. Eh, ayaw nila i-accept, like hindi gumagana SIM card doon, so sa iPhone lang.
This one is cheap.
Yeah.
Fast food nila yun.
Ayun, we're here sa 3rd floor to eat. And yan, Lawson, McDonald's, Sukiya, Luphan, Hotel, La Suite Kore. Kore? Kore ba? Yan. Siyempre, with all of those restaurants sa labas, ano ang kinikrave ng isang dayuhan sa Japan? Konbini food. Look at the onigiris. So much varieties. Eh, bagel. May bagel dapat dyan. Eh, binawasan mo na pala yung corn beef.
Kasi ipit ko sa kote ko yun eh.
Kaya nga eh, tagot ako sabihin sa'yo. Here, Omo rice with pork na onigiri. Omo rice. So, ito yung juice natin, always. Healthy. May iba't ibang ano, may energy, may vitamins, may collagen ata.
Ano sa'yo?
Ito okay boy din to. All time favorite.
Cream bread.
Cream bread. Na walang kalasa Hindi ba? Kasi may chocolate yung binili niya, gusto ko yung wala eh. Okay lang yun, para may lasa naman yun sa'yo. Ay? Nawa na. Okay, so hindi na tiis. Ang Luphan. Ito siya. You get a tray here. You get some bread, but hindi bread yung harap namin. Uy, naka-kennel. My goodness. Sige.
Chocolate. Siyempre, Uji matcha si baby.
Uji matcha tayo pare. Ano double? 800.
Oh, Uji matcha eh.
Pati mixed berry.
Yeah?
Ano ba?
Ay,
Walang strawberry.
Lychee.
Lychee pare. Sicily pistachio. Uy, Sicily.
Eh, yan o.
Awaji
Island milk. No. Milk to.
Ay, milk tsaka uji matcha. Naka-cone pa. Hindi ba yung mas maganda po yung naka-cone, mami? Hindi, may cone kasi sila eh. Hindi doon ko ata order. Look at this. Papatisserie kaya ako. Ted, sabi mo na.
Payment muna ba?
I don't know.
Payment.
Oh, quiche. There's even matcha shot. Siguro, hindi ko lang kung puro matcha to or it has milk. Pero ito naman isa matcha love shake to create matcha drink. So it's clear pa. Ito yung ano eh, yung parang mag-i-infuse bigla. Pero parang mas trendy siya sa akin kaysa masarap. What's this? What? Can I have spoon to... Oh. What? Okay. Thank you.
Excuse me.
Thank you. Makakasara.
Sabi ng papa mo, dahil nakikita, samantalang. Tapos mamaya siyang kakain.
Nakaw.
Bakit ulit ako picture?
Oo nga eh.
Picture naman ako. Picture ba?
Uy! Lingua hone. Sarap ba pare?
Hindi ka pa kumuha ng isang ganito.
Humingi ako 2 spoon, binigyan ko isa eh.
Picture ko kayo. Ito mo na sa ano pangalan ng hair.
Halagin mo ba ito?
Grabe. Oh.
Picture like the OG. Even though it's strong.
Tapos naman yung milk. Tapos yung milk.
Parte mo. Grabe, nananapak ah. Hindi, sa pait.
Ayoko lang yung ano.
Ang milk?
Ayoko lang yung gelato.
Ano kayo? Gelato.
Kayat.
Oh.
Gobi mo. Ano yun?
Hindi. Ayaw mo tumulog dito, parang dati.
Saan ba kayo?
Ba't ba kasi nandiyan kayo?
Lagitan pala sa kanon eh.
Tragis na yan.
Galit.
Sabi ni Mami, dito lang daw kami ni Ama eh. Ba't sa akin kagalit?
Born.
I like them yun.
He.
Alam mo anak, kasi famous.
Ito makakalimutan ko na.
Malamang gano'n yun. Snack, famous ko sila.
Di ba yung nakakalimutan yan? Hayop.
Di ba naman nakakalimutan? Di ba nakakalimutan?
Lagyan ng braso ko ron.
Anak, famous na si Ere.
Oh.
So bumuli ako ng isa, sabi ni Papa, ano nung nakikita mo, alala ko mamaya, siya rin naman ang kakain nito.
Buksin na!
Ano ba yan? May cookie?
Ano from Coke? Kasi siya from ang cookie mamaya.
Nagbablog ako.
Shit.
Ayos na to?
Bakit? Sawa kami.
Wala dito, tira mo.
Hi guys, currently bibili na ng ticket. After that, ano na, like bounce na. Let's go to So guys, ngayon punta na tayo ng Kyoto.
So we have 75 minutes. This is a train, and this train is reserved seating. So
ayos.
siya. 4 of us costed like over 15,000 yen. So compute na lang kung ilan yun per person. 369 till 48 till 16, mga 3.5 yun per person. So roughly divided by 2, 1.7. Tama ba? Mga ganun.
More or less.
No, siguro more yun. Kasi mababa yan ngayon eh. So mga nasa 1.5 to 1.7 pesos to go from Osaka to Kyoto in one train na reserved seating.
Pwede na.
Pwede na kasi hindi ka na palipat-lipat.
Let's enjoy.
Let's enjoy meaning. Okay, so let's test this matcha shot na I got from the Luphan kanina. Here's the bottle. All bakal. Malaman to yung kuya ko. Hindi mo na akong tulungan. Hindi pa naiinglan. Para wala naririnig. Let's open Z bottle. Yung matamis. Inumin mo na. Tikman mo. Ayoko. Hindi nga siya matamis. Inumin mo na. Ang ingay ko.
Hindi naman yun.
Inumin mo na.
Wala kang mumugan dito.
Inumin mo na. Hindi nga siya matamis. May siya ka mo dyan sa likod.
Kamay ko lang masama na. White flat. Burger.
Inumin mo na.
Ito na. Ayoko.
Oo.
Pwede nga lang.
Wait, let me senior yun. Wow! Steak. Batik mo naman. It's lovely. I think this needs some milk. Pero masarap yung mismo matcha flavor niya. Tsaka matcha lover naman ako. Pero damn, I wanna sleep, you know? Okay. What?
Pwede mo tayo dito.
Okay, so after how many hours? I don't know. Approximately 4:40 right now. That's a shame. Hello Kitty siya. Ayan. For a better view. Yun. We just got out of the train and we're here in Kyoto Station. JR Kyoto Station. So again, that's a direct line from the airport to here. Oh, it's Hello Kitty Haruka train. That's really hot. Okay, ito na. We're here at the side of Kyoto Station. You can see that's the tower on the right side. So yeah, dito ulit tayo. Now, you see in front of me, Porta, pababa. That's where we will eat today. Yan po sana. Now in that vlog, he bought the mazesoba. His first one. Then he bought the wagyu steak there and a pancake. And now I'm going to buy this one. Those three, no, those two, the premium, the hojicha, and there's a yuzu one. May yuzu. So, tatlong beer ang bibiling. Oh shit, may pila na. Yan. Sora Chibos. Thank you. Okay, so I have here the classic mazesoba with the spring onions. Mom has the chukumen, right? And then
Chukumen soba, I guess.
chukumen soba, and then we have the classic ramen, and then the pork rice. So yun. And then these four, lemon sour, matamis, masarap, light. Etong peach,
Hindi ko na mabuti nga.
o baka baliktad daw. Ano ba lasa yan?
Yan yung beach.
Ito ba yung peach?
Hindi. Malamis na beach.
Hindi ko rin alam kung ano
Ano
yan.
ito ba beer? Matcha beer?
Oh,
Lahat siya, beer yan.
ito naman hojicha.
Kasi si Paolo kasi. Siya na, si Paolo.
Pangalan?
Hojicha beer. A couple of steps from the bus stop. Ito na. Yan na yan. Okay, so they have free ice cream bar, open 12 p.m. to 12 a.m. If this box is empty, it's not available. Please take note of all allergens. That's yung normal stuff na ano, like body towel, shaver, ganyan. Tapos bathrooms. Pero free ice cream, bago yun. Okay, so this is the room. We have a mirror, the bath, 2 singles. Pinto kaya to? A bathroom. I'm chewing on my ice cream at the moment. It's like warabi mochi ice cream. I love it so much. That's
Surprise!
Ano yung mga ano natin, ano yung Levi's?
With the king room.
504, 504, 504.
Ang ano?
508.
Oh, so that's the difference.
10.
Okay.
It's the same. Move lang. Okay. I want the view. Ouch. That's not a window. This is the window. Oh, there's that no bus stop. Ano pa yung bus stop natin? So we built it yung church yun. Oh nga, yeah.
Tayo na rin sa wakas.
Eh.
Sakit na busan ko.
Okay guys, so that's the end of the vlog. So basically today we went from the Philippines to Osaka, then Osaka to Kyoto, and then we just got some food. Then yeah, that's it. It's currently wala pa lang yung watch ko dito kasi hindi ko pa siya na-adjust. It's currently 11:08 in our call time for tomorrow is 10 a.m. Nasa lobby na dapat kami. So yeah, time to get some shut eye. Then tomorrow's another day. Thank you for watching. Bye. Peace. Bye. Hindi pala gagana yun dito. Sa cellphone ko pala gagana yan. Bye.